This is Julie, and I am an American living in Bangkok, Thailand. And I'm walking the streets of Bangkok right now, and all throughout Bangkok there is food. You never ever will go hungry in Bangkok because there's always food, whether it be in restaurants, in cafes, or on the streets called street food. So much street food. I'm walking around and I see a man selling dried squid from his bicycle on the street. So of course I happen to love squid and I like dried squid, so I said, let me go support him, buy some dried squid and make a video of him grilling my dried squid. And I'm talking, it is grilling old school style, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome to Bangkok. Hello from Bangkok, and here you go. I hope you enjoyed that video. I bought 5 pieces of squid and it cost me $1.43. That's the conversion fee of it. Thank you so much for watching Julia Accetta's Journey Bangkok. Click the thumbs up and be sure you subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications. You never know, friends, when I'm going to bust out my camera, make a video, share the world with you. Some of you probably have never seen anything like this before, so I'm introducing different ways of living and different lifestyles to you. Thank you for having an open mind. Thank you for having an open heart. And thank you for having an open brain. Your brain is for learning. So thank you for learning the world, and I'm so glad to share this world with you. Thank you for sharing your world with me. Love to all.